back to the Crafty Cousins. So today we'll be unboxing a Series 4 Smushy Mushy Cup and Cakes package. And I got this from Sam's and there are 3 in there. And so yeah. So now we will tear this off. Okay, so we have the bottle. We'll open the mystery bestie last. I think this time it's a horse. Oh, that smells pretty good. They've improved from the Series 3. It's squishy. It's not the best slow risingness, but I like this one. It's just not the cutest thing in the world, you know? But it's okay. Cake pop. Cake pop! It's cute. Oh, I really like this one. Oh, this is gonna go on my thingy. Okay. Thingy? I don't know. Don't ask. Okay, so now I really liked this one. So now we're going to go on to the purple one. It's okay, we can still open it, and I don't know what it is. Oh, that's a good way to open it. So we have keychains. We got an owl. Oh, I think I'll... Hey, Bagel. The softness is not there. It's kind of slow rising. It smells amazing. All of their squishies smell really good. Freckles, why are you making so much noise? Oh, and I got a piece of pie. I think I have one like this. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I didn't turn all the owl in. Well, that's what those look like. I like these. They're just not as squishy as the pink one, so I definitely think the pink one was better. And these are coming with name tags too and stickers. I just don't feel like getting those out the packaging. Let me see what this is. I didn't look in the other one. Okay. I just want to look at these. This will be quick, don't worry. It just fill out the back, and then it just has the new ones. Wait, did I get it? No, I didn't. So those are again, we have the Bestie bottle. And this is a tiger. This is a really good one. It's better than all the other ones, no offense. This is Tabby Tiger. And I can't read this, so I'm just going to show you. It's not as good, but this is what we got. I don't know why I'm standing up. We got this, and we have this. This one's definitely the best. I didn't get a rare and ultra rare, but times will come. My time will come, and you will all be shaking. I don't do that, and you don't, huh? That's it for today's video. Unboxing 3 squishes. Bye! So I'm just going to talk to you about why we've been on this big break, and that's just because there's school in the way, then there's volleyball, and I'm not like leaving. I've just had a break because school started, and then we are new year, new channel. I'm redecorating the channel or giving it a makeover, and it's going to be called Macy Christine, you know. It's got that spark to it. But I'm not like ditching Crafty Cousins. We will still do collabs together. We're just not doing it. We're not doing it anymore because number one, we don't have a lot of time to see each other, and yeah. Shout out to Mary Elizabeth Kent's channel and my brother's channel, Timo Gaming. Subscribe.